Let's start with one of the most important practice, not only for the examination, but for the overall growth, which is called as a cue word meditation. We can use words to meditate. Simple words we'll use to meditate. Let's start. First, make yourself totally comfortable on a floor. Close your eyes. Adjust yourself. 6 to 8 inches gap between the palms and the body. 6 to 8 inches gap between the feet. Toes turn outward. Take 5 rounds of deep inhale, exhale. Make sure your eyes are closed throughout the practice. Keep the spine straight. If you're sitting or in Shavasana, make it very comfortable. Let's begin with the practice. Just become aware of how your body feels right now. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. 2 more breaths on your own. After the 2 breaths, you will continue to have a normal breath, and you will notice how each area of the body I mentioned relaxes as soon as you hear the word relax. Let's begin with the practice. Just focus on your feet. Relax. Focus on the ankles. Relaxed. Focus on the lower legs. Relax. Focus on the kneecaps. Relax. Focus on the upper legs. Relax. Focus on the abdomen. Relax. Focus on middle back. Relaxed. Focus on stomach. Relaxed. Focus on upper back. Relax. Focus on shoulders. Relax. Upper arm. Relax. Lower arm. Relax. Wrist. Relax. Both the hands relax. Neck relax. Face relaxed. And head relaxed. So you'll be scanning your body now for the next 2 minutes for any remaining areas of stiffness. If you feel any stiffness anywhere in the body, you will attach the word relaxed. Say for example, you're feeling stiffness in the shoulders. So you will mentally say shoulder relaxed. So take your time. Now that your body has started to become relaxed, I'll introduce some key words for relaxation, meditation. You can choose whatever words you like, but just for today, we'll be using the magical words breathe and relaxed. With each breath in, say in mind breathe. With each breath out, mentally say relaxed. So you will inhale and mentally say breathe, exhale, mentally say relaxed. As you continue the practice, you will allow these words to relax you fully each time you hear them. Allow your body and mind to become even more relaxed and calm. Let this relaxing keywords fill your mind. I'll guide you for a few steps and then we'll give you a chance to practice on your own. Let's begin. Breathe in, saying in your mind, breathe. Exhale, saying to yourself, relaxed. Breathe, relax, breathe, relax. So as you breathe, abdomen bulges out. As you relax, abdomen goes in. Breathe, relax, breathe, relax, breathe, relax, breathe, relax. 4 rounds with me. Breathe, relax, breathe, relax, breathe, relax. Last round with me. Breathe and relaxed. You'll continue using these cue words for 8 more rounds on your own without my instructions. So what you'll be doing is you'll inhale deeply, your abdomen will bulge out, but mentally you will say breathe. And as you exhale, abdomen goes in and mentally you will say relax. So take your time. You're now completely relaxed, comfortable at peace. Observe this feeling of relaxation and meditation. Notice how calm you're feeling now, and notice how your breath is slow and regular, pleasant and peaceful. Keep with you this feeling of relaxation as you become more aware of the mind. Just widen the gap between two thoughts. Widen and widen, and diffuse yourself into the deep silencing state. This very deep experience of silence, it's going to help you to go beyond the mind body awareness, and from the deep state of silence you got to raise a positive thought, which could be a short positive statement with minimum number of words, say 3 to 5 words. Examples could be, I am ever blissful, my immune system is powerful, I'm awakening my spiritual discipline. It could be any statement, not necessarily the one which I told, but you need to have your own, or you can choose the one which I told. I'm following yoga as a discipline in my life. You have to minimum say mentally without any sound for at least 8 times on your own. Yeah, then slowly, will move your fingers toes in case if the shavasana will come to sitting. Yeah, then we'll go for closing prayer, hands in Namaskar Mudra. We'll go for Omkara 3 rounds. Inhale. Om. Om. Last round. Om. Prayer. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ ॐ Last round. ॐ Just you can rub your palms, apply on your face.